and our project name is NanoAloe.
Studies show that there are two main groups of the dyes that are usually the major pollutants. The azo dyes, which according to researchers are soluble in water at neutral pH values, and secondly the VAT dyes, which are insoluble in neutral water, remaining as sediment accumulating in the environment. These toxic dyes are constantly being dumped into water bodies by chemical industries, affecting the ecological balance in the aquatic life. With India being a vast aloe vera producer, NanoAloe makes degradation of dyes possible, and that too cost efficiently.
In just 3 months, our startup NanoAloe has achieved remarkable success in combating industrial dye pollution. Through our innovative fusion of aloe vera and copper oxide nanoparticles, we have successfully tested and implemented this eco-friendly solution, ensuring cleaner industrial practices.
NanoAloe functions by utilizing the natural properties of aloe vera in combination with copper oxide. During this green synthesis, aloe vera extract reacts with the copper oxide, forming nanoparticles. These nanoparticles are seen as a black precipitate, which boasts high reactivity, which when applied to an industrial dye in wastewater, NanoAloe effectively degrades them, illustrating a green, eco-friendly and effective approach to pollution control.
As we look forward, our vision expands globally. We're actively engaging in collaborations, paving the way for international partnerships focused on aquatic environment challenges. Our goal over the 5 years is to collaborate with leading international agencies addressing specific problems in aquatic environment. Our company also actively participates in government initiatives focusing on the remediation of water bodies. These tenders by agencies like Ministry of Environment provide a substantial revenue system. Through our unique approach and successful collaboration, NanoAloe is poised to secure these tenders, ensuring a sustainable financial future while contributing significantly to environment conservation efforts. NanoAloe represents not just a project but a commitment to a sustainable future where nature, science, and collaboration harmonize for cleaner, healthier, and water system worldwide.